So today we're gonna write a song. Hello, my name is Pauline and oh, that's not right. Hello, my name is Pauline and I do things. And for some reason today I have the audacity to write a song. We're gonna write a song in 24 hours. I already wrote the lyrics to this song. If you see polka dots, those are zit things because I have cystic acne, but normalizing acne is important. Everybody gets acne, just like everybody poops. We're by my Privia keyboard. It is actually covered in dust. I moved her under the window though, so like, we might be doing music again. But yeah, what is this video? Okay, we're gonna write a song in 24 hours-ish. I already wrote the lyrics. They came to me one day. They just like hit me like a beam of light while I was eating grilled cheese for breakfast. I'm just gonna establish right here and now this song is not to be taken seriously in any way, shape, or form. I know I'm not the most amazing musician in the world. Like, Ariana Grande literally released a new song yesterday and I haven't listened to it yet because I think I should listen to it after I write this song, just as a good reality check so I don't like, you know, get too much confidence. But yeah, I thought it would be cool and also economical to double dip on this video and film the behind the scenes. I've already kind of established a beat. Is it a very intricate beat? No, I might add layers to it later. We're gonna play around with the beat a little bit more. We're gonna try to work on a melody. I kind of want it to be Halloween-y. Also, very important update, I mastered how to make soft-boiled eggs. I know, I've evolved in that short of amount of time. I wanna be tall. We'll go back to working on the song now. I'm gonna play the beat I made now that I'm done being that. Here is the beat I have thus far. Okay, here's the beat. I feel like it's okay. I'm really enjoying some of the synth bass that I found, like this one. So yeah, those are that's where I'm at so far. Basically, I have lyrics and a beat, nothing else. No, I won't be singing. That's another part. I won't be singing. No, it's gonna be rapping. But yeah, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse now and plug in my headphones and work on this a lot. It needs a lot of work. Welcome back. It's a few hours later now. I'm hungry again, even though I ate before I started doing this. I'm much more enthusiastic than I seem. I'm just tired. So, I thought we would have a little listening party here. Without further ado. I mean, I think it's pretty sick. Of course, the lyrics aren't here because I have to go sit in the car and record the lyrics because that's the quietest place. Hello, it's Pauline from the next day. Welcome to the inside of my car, complete with a mask, wear a mask, and even worse lighting. Also, my zit is getting better and so is this one. A few things. One, I decided to speed up the song. I think I can rap that fast, if you want to call it rapping. It's gonna be a minute long, so like I said, this isn't a very fancy thing going on. This is all I can film of me recording the lyrics in my car. I won't be able to video myself doing this because my phone is my microphone. Yeah, but my arm is getting sore from holding you up, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get to it. Oh! I feel like personality-wise, you wouldn't think my music would come out this dark, so to speak, but this is not new for me. The reason I can even do any of this, I just realized I didn't explain at the beginning of the video how I possess these skills. I took music tech lab in high school. At least that's what the class was called. Basically, we had a keyboard, we had a computer in front of us, and we used Cubase. I'm just using GarageBand, like the peasant I am, but it uses a MIDI system too. That's how I learned this, and every song that I composed came out like this dark electronic kind of edgy rock. I don't know why, I'm just now realizing I just put 2 and 2 together. I don't know if you've ever listened to or seen Disney's remake of the movie Tron, but the soundtrack is by Daft Punk, and it is a decade old, and I still listen to it. I listen to it when I run. 10 out of 10 recommend. I just realized that like that's kind of my vibe. I think that's it for today's recording sesh. I'm gonna make pizza now. I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe!